welcome back to my channel for another video. Thank you guys for being subscribed, watching my videos, you know, wasting your time on the internet with me. I really appreciate it. And if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below and turn on the notifications so then you don't get to miss hanging out with me. So today, but I do want to say thank you guys for like all the support on my story time video. And if you haven't checked out that funny story time, you guys, I'm gonna link it down below, of course, like I always do, so you guys can check that out. But right now we're gonna get into our lazy girl makeup tutorial, because I know like sometimes putting on a whole like cute little full face is too much work, but I'm gonna teach you how to finesse it so then you can look like a baddie in like 10 minutes, okay? This is like my favorite look, and like people tell me how like put together I look and how like, you know, it looked like I spent a long time, but I really didn't. But let me shut up and let's get into it. I'm not sure if this is gonna be like a voiceover or anything, and I don't want like a long, boring like beauty video. So hold on, sorry, I have to see if I started this timer. I didn't, because my camera goes out every single, like after 10 minutes. But anyways, let me shut up and get into this video. So, you know, first you just gotta do the base for like, you know, a lazy look. You really just gotta do the basics, and the basics are your eyebrows, your lashes, your lips, and a good highlight. So that's all I'm gonna be doing today, and I don't think I'm gonna do a voiceover. I'm gonna just have you guys watch this cute little video. So let's start. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video and that quick little makeup look so you can get this done nice and easy for my lazy girls out there, because you know, sometimes you just do not want to do your full makeup routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and check out the next one. Peace.